This is the second video about Flutter tutorial series. In the previous video, we have learned together about introduction to Flutter. And today, we are going to talk about how to install Flutter SDK on Windows. I am Abdul Aziz Ahwan from Indonesia, and let's get started with my video. Okay guys, the first step is open your browser and then go to the Flutter website. We can go to flutter.io, okay, and then select get started. Okay, as we can see here, install. Select the operating system on which you are installing Flutter. Because my operating system is Windows, so I select Windows. As we can see here, system requirement, operating system Windows 7, system pack 1 or later, and it should be 64-bit. So if you are 32-bit system, you cannot install Flutter. The space at least 400 MB does not include the space for IDE or tool. This is the tool. We can use command prompt pre-install with Windows 10, or we can use Git for Windows. So get Flutter SDK. We can download from this. Just select here. Okay, because I have downloaded this SDK, don't forget to locate your download. Once your download is finished, open the directory. The Flutter SDK file look like this: Flutter _ Windows _ v1. The next step is right click and then select extract here, and we can read here, extract the zip file and then place the contained Flutter in the desired installation location. The recommendation is C on the system file. Don't install Flutter in a directory like C program file, because that require elevated privilege. And the last step is locate the file flutter _ console.bat inside the Flutter directory. Start it by double clicking. Okay, still on progress. Okay, as we can see here, extraction process is complete. Here, Flutter folder. Okay, and the next step is move Flutter folder into system directory. Right click and then select cut and move to local disk C, because my system directory is C letter. Just paste here. Don't paste on the program directory. Okay, here as we can see. And the next step is update our path. Just press Windows button and just type env and then select here and then select environment variable and then add new path and locate your Flutter directory. Just browse and then C Flutter bin. Okay, just select OK, and don't forget to add on the system variable here. Double click and then select new path here. Just browse like the before, C and then Flutter and then bin. Just press OK and OK. Okay, and the next step is double click here on the Flutter _ console.bat. Okay, as we can see here, welcome to Flutter console. And as we can see here, run Flutter Doctor to check if your system is ready to run Flutter apps. So just type here Flutter Doctor, just press enter. So as we can see here, Flutter channel stable version 1.0.0 on Microsoft Windows version 10, and Android tool change developed for Android device, Android SDK 27.0.3, and then Android Studio version 3.1, IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate Edition version 2018.3, and then Visual Studio Code 64-bit edition version 1.30. It means that we are ready to run Flutter apps. In the next video, we will learn together about how to set up an editor, which is we can use Android Studio, maybe we can use IntelliJ IDEA, or maybe we can use Visual Studio Code. Okay, I think enough my video today. If you have any question or comment, write it down on the comment field. Thank you so much and see you again on the next video.